Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Hopefully, your condition will good and healthy condition. Okay, now students, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Start now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Shiratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay, finish. Okay, now let me check your attendance list. Ya. The first, Adinatul, Adibatul, Amanda, Anifitria, Anissa, Cindy, Dina, Dian. Okay, finish. Okay, now I will explain to you about the activity today. Okay, now I will show to you about the purpose of learning. Okay, the students, you will read aloud, yeah, and then second, you identify the part of narrative text, genre structure, and language feature, yeah. And the next, you will take the meaning of narrative text, yeah, and then analyze the genre structure, language feature, and then social function. Okay, and the last, you study about to catch the meaning as contextual, functional text, structured text, and language feature of narrative text. Okay, and sorry, yeah. Today we will study about the Timun Mas, and Buta Ijo about the narrative text. I have, yeah, this is my school, yeah, and this is I have shown to you about the purpose of learning, yeah, and then this is the activity, WhatsApp activity. I use media WhatsApp, e-learning, PPT, and Puppet, yeah, and the tool laptop and HP, yeah. Okay, okay, now I will play the video. Okay, 1 2 3 go, play. Okay, finish. Okay, now I want you to read aloud, yeah, about this text. Okay, and this is the orientation of narrative text. Yeah, long time ago in the island of Java, Indonesia, lived a couple of farmers. They had married for some years, but they had no children. So they prayed to a monster called Buta Ijo to give them children. Buta Ijo was a ferocious and powerful monster. He granted their wish on one condition. When their children had grown up, they had to sacrifice them to Buta Ijo. He liked eating fresh meat of human beings. The farmers agreed to his condition. Several months later, the wife pregnant. Okay, and this is the complication. Yeah, she gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. They named her Timun Emas. The farmers were happy. Timun Emas was very healthy and a very smart girl. She was also very diligent. When she was a teenager, Buta Ijo came to their house. Timun Emas was frightened, so she ran away to hide. The farmers then told Buta Ijo that Timun Emas was still a child. They asked him to postpone. Buta Ijo agreed. He promised to come again. The following year, Buta Ijo came again. But again and again, their parents said that Timun Emas was still a child. And this is the resolution. Buta Ijo catch her again. When he almost catch her again and again, Timun Emas was show her tracing. This time it turned into a lake. Buta Ijo was busy to save himself, so Timun Emas ran away. Buta Ijo could overcome it and continue chasing her. Finally, when Timun Emas was almost caught, she showed herself. Soon the land where Buta Ijo stood turned into ocean. Buta Ijo was drowned and died instantly. Timun Emas was thankful to God and came back to her home. Okay, okay, my students, that about the narrative text. Okay, and now I will make you a group because in this activity I use the jigsaw model to teach you understand well about this text. Okay, I will, because this is we cannot face to face. Yeah, so I divided into some group based on the attendance list. Yeah, based on the attendance list. Okay, the number 1 until number 5 you group 1, number 6 number 10 you group 2, and group number 11 until number 15 you are group 3, and number 16 and 20 you group 4, and so on. Okay. Okay, now for the first group, your duty is study about the genetic structure. And the second group, you study about the language feature. And the third group, you learn about the social function. And the fourth group, you learn about the difficult word. And the last about the synonym and antonym. Okay, please do it now. Okay, now for the first group, you please come to the second group, tell about genetic structure, and the second group, you tell about language feature to the third group, and the fourth group, you explain about the difficult word to the fifth group, and the group 5, please you come to the first group, tell about the antonym and synonym. Okay, do it now. Yeah, I waited. Okay, now present in front of. I choose one student. Okay, you, Rudy Hartono. Please you stand up in front of your class. Tell uh, your activity or about your tema. Okay. Okay. Now for the second group, please you give question to the first group. Yeah. Okay, finish. Give applause. Now, the second group, please you come forward. Okay, group 3, please you give question for the second group. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now for the fourth group, you come forward. Give question. Okay, good. Finish. Okay, now I give 2 questions. Who can answer? I will give you reward. Yeah, rewards. Yeah. The first, what is the text about? Okay, you raise your hand. Okay. Okay, please mention your name and your number. Please answer. Okay, good. Now the second question. How many people or how many characteristics and the text? Okay, you raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, good, you. Please answer. Okay, very good. Give applause. Okay. Now, after I give you question and some of you can answer, so now I will give some reward. Okay, for Rudy and Budi. Okay, this is for you. Okay, my students, after I give you question, now I will conclude this material. Okay, so this text about the Timun Mas and Buto Ijo. There is a woman who had no children, and he want to have children, and then Buto Ijo directly come to their house. Yeah, and then she give you a cucumber to plant, and then after this, birth a baby girl. Yeah, the woman is very happy. Yeah, and 6 years, Butaicho come to their house to take the baby girl, but they don't want. Okay, okay, my students, and now we go to the post activity. I have given you reflection. Yeah, so and now I will give you assignment, but not now. You can do it at the house by WA, yeah, by WA, because we cannot face to face. Okay, okay. Now, students, I will inform for our activity next week. We will study about the procedure text. Yeah, because after we study about narrative, so next week our material is about procedure text. Okay, now for the test, yeah, I give you question, yeah, question I will start to the WA and some question. I hope you can do it well. Okay, my students. Okay.